Welcome to How Ines Rolls. We're doing something extra special today. So we're going to be doing an interview with the birthday boy, Paul, and here are his 73 questions. Hey.
Hello.
Happy birthday.
Thank you.
How are you?
I'm fantastic. How are you?
I'm doing good. How long have you lived here?
I've lived here for about 14 years.
14 years. Do you
in
like
this house?
Oh, in this house.
Yes.
Do you like this area in Vegas?
I love this area.
What are 3 words to describe where we live?
Secluded, clean, warm.
Would you ever consider moving?
Not at this time. You want to sit down?
Sure. So this week's your birthday. How
Yes,
old will
it
you
is.
be?
I'll be 44.
And what day is it on?
June 3rd, Wednesday.
Good. Is there anything that you're looking forward to this year?
Just getting together with friends.
Oh, okay, good. That's great. What's your favorite birthday so far?
My 40th birthday was memorable.
That was a lot of fun. If you could have any present, what would it be?
$10 million.
If you could have any dream car, what would it be?
Let's see, a 2020 Super Crew Ford Raptor in Ford Performance Blue.
That sounds very specific.
It is.
And funny that Ezra, every time he sees one of those Raptors, he knows exactly what they are. What are your plans tonight?
We are going to have friends over for a barbecue. You want to go to the kitchen?
Yes. Let's go. It's like a little preschool in here. Oh, what a beautiful kitchen.
Oh, thanks.
Do you like grilling?
I love grilling.
So what are we grilling tonight?
Tonight we're going to do some chicken breasts that'll go on salads.
Perfect. So what's your favorite thing or rewarding thing to grill?
Probably steak, just because the taste is the reward.
Let's see, isn't it hard to grill when it's so hot outside?
No.
What's your favorite way to prepare meat?
Well, I like my meat, like steak I like medium well, and chicken and pork just has to be cooked correctly with a rub and marinade sometimes.
Cool. It is very good too. What is your favorite meal?
My favorite meal is from Fleming's, a New York steak with Fleming's potatoes.
That sounds so good.
Very good.
So you guys have friends over a lot. I can see we have already a little setup. Do you like making a spread for them?
Yeah, it's fun.
What do you think is your friends' favorite foods?
I think they appreciate anything that we make for them.
I agree, but I like getting together and just like eating everything that everybody makes. That's a lot of fun. How about your kids' favorite meals? Do you know what they like?
Yeah, they're all different. I think chicken fingers and chicken fingers and French fries is probably what they would all agree on.
I agree with that. How many kids do we have?
We have 4 sons.
Can you show us some family pictures?
I can. So we have some pictures here that are done in a watercolor look.
Ooh, those are nice.
And we have more pictures over here.
Cool. Look at those.
Those pre-beard.
Pre-beard. Where is your oldest son?
My oldest son is serving a mission in Richmond, Virginia right now.
And what has been your favorite family vacation?
I have a few. We took a family vacation to Disneyland.
That was fun.
It was a lot of fun. And then recently we did a vacation a couple years ago with our friends to Bryan Head, Utah.
That was the best.
We rented a huge cabin and it was a lot of fun.
That was. So friends on vacation, are you a fan?
Big fan.
Big fan, of course. Around our house, I see lots of religious art. How important is your faith to you?
It's very important. It's not just a Sunday faith. To me, it's a lifestyle.
Did you serve a mission?
I did serve a mission.
If you could use 3 words to describe what's most important, what are they?
I'd say faith, family, friends, and country. You want to sit down?
Yes, please. Hey, yes.
Hi.
Okay. Well, that's a nice TV.
Yes, it is.
Do you watch a lot of it?
I don't really. I only watch some UFC fights on there.
What's your favorite movie, though?
Oh, that's difficult. The one that pops in that I can watch over and over would be Red Dawn.
Oh, yes, he mentions that a lot.
The original.
The original, yes. Favorite show?
Parks and Recreation.
They have great one-liners. Do you like to play video games?
I used to. I don't play anymore.
What's your kids' favorite video games?
My guess would be Fortnite.
Oh, that probably is a good guess. Do you like board games?
I like board games.
Which ones?
Well, I like most of them. I can't pick one off the top of my head.
No favorites? No favorite games? Okay. Any fun moments playing games that you want to share?
We play games with the Phillips often, and we're gonna have our own YouTube channel about the games. That'll be coming shortly.
That will be fun. What are your hobbies?
I like grilling.
Mm-hmm.
I like woodworking, and I like shooting.
Shooting, yes. Big fan of guns.
And,
Favorite apps on your phone?
oh, my favorite app would probably be my Yahtzee app.
He's always playing games on his phone. Instagram or TikTok?
Instagram.
Instagram, although he has been watching a lot of TikTok lately. Favorite YouTube channels?
There's How Ines Rolls. Phil's Fan Bam.
Yes.
Chris Fix.
Okay, Chris Fix, yes. What's one thing that others might not know about YouTube?
There is a lot of work that goes into YouTube. It's not just filming a video, but there's a lot of intricacies that go into making a video.
That's true. What do you have a channel?
I have a channel.
What is it about?
It's called Paul Fixes Stuff, and it's about just fixing stuff around the house, just handyman type of stuff.
Do you like being in Inez's videos? That would be me.
I don't mind most of the time. Sometimes I'd rather not, but I don't mind.
So, talking about hobbies and grilling, will you show us your setup?
Yes, let's go outside.
Let's go. Ooh, it's bright out here. And it's a little warm. What's the temperature out here?
You know what? My thermometer fell.
Oh, do you think it's because of the wind?
It's about 90 degrees.
90 degrees, a little breezy too. Are you used to this Vegas heat?
Yes.
Yes, it does take some time though, huh?
Yeah, it takes time for your blood to thin out a little bit.
Do you prefer summers or winters?
Fall?
Fall. Oh, that's a good question, or a good answer. That's the best time, really. Do you wish we had a pool?
Yes, because it'd be nice to jump in it, but no, because I don't want to pay for it and I don't want the maintenance.
Touche. What kind of grill is that?
This is a Traeger. It's a Texas 34 Elite.
We've had a couple people ask, huh?
Yeah, it's an awesome grill. It's an older model, but it's awesome.
Are Traegers your favorite?
They are. They've become my favorite.
Why?
Just the flavor that you get from cooking on it. It uses wood pellets the wood pellets heat up and cook the food, and it just tastes better.
So that's the difference between Traeger and a regular grill, is that the pellets?
Yes.
Okay. Ooh, is that a couch? Did you make that?
I did. I made it out of some pallets.
So clever and handy.
You want to go inside?
Yeah, let's do that. It's hot out here. Do you do most of the repairs in the house?
I try to.
How about the DIY stuff? Do you do a lot of that here?
Yes, I try and do most of it. You want a drink?
Yes, please.
What would you like?
Well, I sure love Diet Dr. Pepper. Perfect. Thank you. What's your favorite drink?
Most of the time I'm drinking a Diet Coke.
Water right now.
Water right now. I'll have a Diet Coke probably in a few minutes.
Do you drink alcohol?
I don't drink alcohol.
How about your favorite candy?
My favorite candy is probably a Take 5.
Yes. How about a favorite dessert?
Ice cream.
Ice cream. Are you a fan of going out, or are you more of a homebody?
I think there's a healthy mix. I like going out with friends, even the kids, but I love our home too.
Yes. Favorite place to eat?
Texas State Brazil.
Ooh, yeah, that's a good place. And actually a waste of money for me.
And it's right next door to Fleming's.
Yes. Paul gets his money's worth, and so do the boys when they go.
Very good.
Best thing to do in Vegas?
There's a lot of sightseeing to do in like downtown Vegas. It's actually really, really beautiful.
Yes. Is there something special to do that others might not know about in the Vegas area besides like the Strip?
There's lots of things to do. There's we live in a big desert, but there's so many cool things around. We have 4 different mountain ranges that converge around the Vegas Valley. Hoover Dam is not far. There's lots of cool things to do. The mountains are a lot of fun to go to, even going out in the desert.
Yeah, there's some good trails out here. And in Boulder City, which is not that far away, there's a certain park where the bighorn sheep come down at a certain time every day.
Yes.
Yeah, so we like to try to sometimes go see them. It's pretty spectacular.
Yeah, and you can get really close to them, but you don't want to get too close because they're pretty dangerous.
Yeah. So a few more questions. How long have we been married?
We've been married 21 and a half years.
And what do you do for a living?
I'm a manager for a tile manufacturer.
Do you have any siblings?
I have an older brother and a younger sister.
Do you have any pets?
I have kids. Does that count?
Of course. And any life advice?
I would say just appreciate what you have and know that hard work is essential to being happy. And most other advice can come from Ron Swanson.
So that would be from Parks and Rec.
Yes.
Well, thanks for doing the interview with us, and have a happy birthday.
Thank you.
Well, that was super fun, you guys. If you're wondering about the 73 questions, it is an ongoing series with Vogue magazine, and there are tons of them. They're replaying these interviews on Hulu right now and on YouTube. So check it out if you're interested. 73 questions on with Vogue. So have a wonderful day, and just you never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye.